In this video, I will show you how to get Facebook on any smartwatch you have. So if you want to be able to receive your Facebook Messenger notification on any smartwatch, this video will guide you step by step on how to go about it. Now over here, I am using the HryFine smartwatch app, but it doesn't matter the type of smartwatch you have. The process is quite similar for most smartwatches. Now first things first, what you want to do is to come over to your phone, and then you want to go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth and location of your phone. So make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, and then under the service location or location services of your phone, you also want to make sure that that is turned on as well. Once that is done, you want to go ahead and download the app that your smartwatch actually uses. Now, if you do not know the app that your smartwatch actually uses, just go ahead and look for the QR code app on your smartwatch. In my case, it is over here. So in most smartwatches, you will actually find the QR code icon at the startup page of the app. So what you want to do at this point is to make sure that you scan the QR code over here, and by scanning the QR code over here, you will be automatically be taken to the app store where you can actually find the specific app that your smartwatch actually uses. In my case, it is the HryFine smartwatch app, so it automatically takes me to my browser, and from my browser I can click on the Google Play Store app over here, which automatically also takes me to the Google Play Store where I can actually find the app that my smartwatch uses. If you already know the app that your smartwatch uses, you can just go over to the Google Play Store, search for it directly from here, and then just make sure you download and install the app directly from here. And once the app is downloaded and installed, you want to go ahead and open it up directly from here. So whichever app that your smartwatch actually uses, just go ahead and open it up directly from here. Now you want to set up the app. The process of setting up most of these apps is quite simple. So you just want to click on agree over here, click on allow, just go ahead and give it all of the permission it needs to work properly on your phone. Go ahead and click on the allow button until you're done. Now you have to sign into the app, so if you do not already have an account, just click on the agree to privacy policy over here, and then just go ahead and click on Google. Now this will actually sign you into the app using your Gmail account, so just go ahead and select any Gmail account. I have many over here, so I'll just go ahead and select these. Now once you're successfully signed in, the process is almost complete. Now what you want to do is to go ahead and pair your smartwatch with the app on your phone. But first things first, if you have any pop-up asking you to give the app permissions to access notification on your phone, make sure you give it that permission. So go to set over here, and then just look for the app that is the app that your smartwatch actually uses. In my case, it is the HryFine smartwatch app. Make sure you enable this permission over here. So make sure you enable this permission if you want it to be able to send notification to your smartwatch. And once you're done, you can now come over to the app. Now what you want to do at this point is to come over to the Me tab over here at the bottom. In some smartwatches, you're going to find this option under the Devices tab at the bottom over here, but in this particular app, you're going to find the Devices tab under the Me tab. And what you want to do at this point is to go ahead and click on the search for devices. So we are basically searching for our smartwatch now, but before then you also want to make sure that Bluetooth is also turned on your smartwatch. So to turn on Bluetooth, you want to go ahead and click on this button over here, and then just swipe up, and you're going to see the Bluetooth icon over here. Go ahead and click on it to enable Bluetooth, and now that Bluetooth is turned on, we can now proceed with the pairing process. In some smartwatches, you may not be able to find the Bluetooth settings. If you do not find it, then just presume that the Bluetooth is already turned on. You can go ahead and try to pair it with your smartwatch app. Now you want to just go ahead and click on allow, then proceed to give it that permission. So come over to app permission over here, and then just go ahead and give it permission to access your location over here. So just give it while using this app, and then go back to the app one more time. Now just click on the search button over here. Now it is searching for our smartwatch, so proceed to click on the name of our smartwatch over here. I'll just go ahead and click on mine. Now it is connecting, and just like so, we have successfully now paired our smartwatch over here with our smartwatch app on the phone. Once you're done, you can click on the cancel button over here. Now the next thing you want to do to get Facebook notification on your smartwatch is to just come over to the Devices tab, and then you just want to go ahead and click on the message notification over here. Now go ahead and enable this for all of the apps you want notification on your phone. In this case, since we want the Facebook notification, I'll just go ahead and make sure it is enabled for Facebook, then click on the confirm button over here. Now once you're done, you can now come over to the settings of your phone as well. So come over to the settings of your phone, go ahead and look for the apps option over here, select that, And then you also want to scroll down continuously, look for the smartwatch app you have on your phone. So in my case, it is the HryFine smartwatch app over here. I'll go ahead and select it, and then also make sure you enable notifications. So make sure you give it all of the permission to send notification over here under notifications. Once you're done, you can now proceed to try and send a Facebook notification or message to your phone, and you will definitely receive it on your smartwatch. Now I'll just go ahead and try sending something using my other Facebook account. So I'll try sending something to using my messenger app over here. How are you doing today? And then send it. And as you can see, a message from Blessing on Facebook. So we can just click on it. I can just go ahead and click on it, or just press on this to open up the Facebook messages that has been sent to me. I'll just come over to Facebook over here, and I can literally see all of the persons that have sent me message. From over here, we have a notification from Blessing, which is basically the same message I have sent to myself. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.